mechanical problems.
Okay, that's an excellent number. Looks like you maybe. We're going to walk the course one time, and I will explain. You will have an opportunity to ask questions. I may or may not answer those questions, but you have the opportunity to ask questions in that one walkthrough. All right, go ahead and get geared up, and we'll start getting y'all lined up.
Get it, you can do it. Look at that, folks. Beautiful bike.
Mine's even more beautiful. It's a KTM.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Good job, Jay. You got a Gucci ride, isn't it? Awesome.
Okay.
From our sponsor.
Of the next EDC, then pick up the other tennis ball.
To your regularly scheduled program.
Any questions as to how this course is going to run?
So we go out or we stop?
You go out.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and exit, and then safely ride around, heckle your buddy.
to.
Go, man. Step! 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 Step!
Oh, I thought that front end was tipping towards the.
Step! 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 Woo!
Smooth as silk.
Played that game, see him go down.
Oh yeah. Blame him?
No.
And he's doing it on my bike. So that tells me, folks, that it's the rider, not the bike. My horse. And he's riding it very well. I set it up for him this way.
Yeah,
that makes sense.
Good job.
It's probably 50% of the terrain for him, you know.
The diet.
Billy, we love you. I'm just busting your chops, buddy.
Yeah, it's better to take one than like drop a bike. Wow.
Nice work, Ellie.
Hold this way.
Step!
Oh, sneaky. Sneaky. He's a good rider, man.
Yeah.
It is now game time. Round one. DJ Debs versus the obstacles of life. Fight!